This is a review of the Lego Power Miners set, Granite Grinder. There's the box. Don't know really why everyone likes to see it. 94 pieces. Number 3, but it comes with a minifig. Honestly, don't know his name. There's a drill on the front. You can see that. Flashlight, chain, like all of them. He has his confident face. Woo, look at me, I'm great, woo. And then his freaking out face. He has my favorite freaking out face. I don't know why. It's just like, oh my goodness, the world's gonna end. It's in, oh, and on the back, it's in exploding nest or whatever. Fire, whatever you'd call it. We have Glaciator, which is my favorite rock monster, because I took the quiz and that's who I was. Red eyes, again. Dark blue. And once again, one crystal. Single shiny crystal. Now to the Granite Grinder itself. It's interesting, I mean it's pretty nice from all points of view. Has an axe, which is how I hear rare in most sets. A headlight, floodlight, I guess. It's detachable. And almost all of these Lego Power Miner sets have those, which is pretty nice. But 7 and 2 and 1 don't. Oh well. Roll cage thing or whatever. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's called. Has 2 gas tanks. One which you literally put gas in. It's funny. And then the other says how it's warning, it's flammable, and I think it says the temperature. Has a normal engine, and it's, of course, has a control gears. And now for the main feature. When you push it, it grinds. Like you push it, I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah, you can. Up on that, turn the wheels. You can see that. And then it comes with a little orange pull sled thing with a chain or whatever. Oh yeah, and it came with dynamite, like mine. So we're pulling it and killing the rock monster at the same time. Let's put him in there. Oh well, and it has 2 headlights right there too, I guess, so. Let's see that. By the way, this thing works by the back wheels turn, this turns, and there's a ball inside of it, that when that turns, it pushes this out, and the rubber band pushes it back in and out. So you go in there, and woohoo! That's it. Granite Grinder.